Hey everyone, I'm Jono Bull. I'm not just a window cleaning coach, I'm a window cleaner and also an inventor. If there's a way to make something faster and safer, let's do it. But the point is that I know what it's like to have your hands in soapy water early in the morning. Drawing from over 20 years of experience, I've dropped some videos to help other window cleaners really crush it in running their businesses. But let's be real, it's the one-to-one where the real magic happens. I've heard loud and clear what the burning questions are for window cleaners. How do I get stacks of inquiries without blowing my budget on ads? How do I price jobs properly to make a healthy profit, but without scaring clients away? How can I grow and scale the business without losing my mind? Look no further. I've got the answers that you need to smash through those roadblocks. One-to-one coaching is where I'll break down the strategies tailored to your window cleaning empire. If you're ready to take your business to the ultra pro level, then hit the calendar link in my bio profile thing here. Your bank account will be thanking you for it.